So here we're going to look at the Sure Grip Featherlite push right angle hand control. To operate the push right angle, simply push for brake and pull down towards your lap for acceleration. The Sure Grip push right angle utilizes a short stroke design, which means during the acceleration, only the handle of the hand control itself smooths. The brake rod and the main body stay stationary, allowing for a really good install and with little to no dash modifications and plenty of leg and lap room, in most cases having no rods below the dash panel. There are a couple of options available with the Featherlite hand controls, a couple of add-ons, and the first one is the city mode option. So when city mode is activated, and simply to activate it you just push this little button here, you still get full range of motion in the hand control itself, but it actually limits the throttle output to 50%. So if you're in a parking lot or city driving or any kind of stop and go traffic, this could be a really good option to take that initial lurch out to really smooth the drive in, smooth the acceleration out. The other option that's available with the Featherlite controls is our brake lock, our electronic brake lock. What this allows the driver to do is apply the brake and then by simply pushing a button be able to hold the brake in position with no hands. This means that drivers can now shift gears, go through drive-thrus or any toll booths, any stop and go traffic stop signs or anything like that, without actually having to maintain pressure on the brake. And this is a great option, specifically or mainly for right side drives. People who historically have had to hold the brake to shift gears can now push a button, simply let go, shift gears. To deactivate, you push the brake in a little further, depress the brake, and it will come back to its neutral position.